Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Student, myself Jiten Tripathi. After a long period of completion of your exam, we will discuss some topic remains in the chapter, that is periodic table. I think we have to complete it mainly periodic law and table and their law and merits and demerits also. Today we are going to explain some other topic, modern periodic table or long form of periodic table. Modern periodic table, or we say long form of periodic table. Long form of periodic table. So student, here first we know about the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table put forward by the Moseley sir give an experiment X-ray analysis on atomic number, which is a fundamental property of an element. In previous, Mendeleev sir decided the fundamental property of element is the atomic weight, while Moseley sir decided on X-ray analysis atomic number is the fundamental property of an element. So that modern periodic law, what is modern periodic law? Modern periodic law is that the physical and chemical properties, the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number, This is the modern periodic law which is put forward by the Moseley sir, that physical and chemical property of element are periodic function of their atomic number. Means as the atomic number increases, when we are going to arrange the elements in increasing order of their atomic number, then physical and chemical property of elements are repeated after a regular interval of time. This phenomena is known as periodicity. Okay, so this one is the modern periodic law. In modern periodic table, 7 periods and 18 groups. How much? 7 periods and 18 groups are decided by the Moseley sir. And how these 7 period and 18 groups are arranged in periodic table? So this one is known as an extended form of periodic table. Okay. So next is the extended form of periodic table. Extended for a periodic table. Extended form of periodic table, that is long form of periodic table, same things. In long form of periodic table, the elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number. How the elements are arranged? In increasing order of elements, in increasing order of atomic numbers. Okay? In horizontal rows, known as period. Okay, this is periods in increasing order of atomic number. Then the elements having same number of valence electron come under the same vertical group. So vertical column is known as group. In this period, increasing order of atomic number, and while in group, element having same valence electron, same number of valence electron. Okay. In period arranged in increasing order of atomic number, while in group having same number of valence electron. Okay. So here we explain some characteristic of long form of periodic table. Characteristic of long form of periodic table. Long form of periodic table. Number one is that the subgroup AB are separated in this table. Means subgroup A and B are separated. Okay. Now second one is the transition elements are accommodated in middle of the table in 3 series. Means transition elements are placed between the middle of the table, in 3 series. So these are the transition elements. And third one is the strongly metallic element. Those are alkali metals and alkaline earth metal placed in first A and second A subgroup respectively on the left hand of the transition. Means first A contain alkali metals while second day contain alkaline earth metal. These are the strong electropositive elements, okay, or we say strong metallic elements. And fourth one is the non-metallic elements are placed on the right hand of transition elements, means non-metals are placed right side of transition, right side of transition metal. Okay, so student, this is for today. Completed yourself. And one more important information for you, that you must be make a periodic table in your copy with the help of your textbook, so that all the points are very clearly set up in your mind. Okay, so this is all about today. Thank you for attending the class.